guys, welcome to Aniceto Nanyo's YouTube channel, and you are watching our 51st season live stream music recital. And today you will be witnessing music performances from my piano and voice students. And now please welcome our student Faith.
Hello everyone, my name is Faith Alison Pascual, a piano student here at Nanyo's Music Studio. I am from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. First of all, I would like to give thanks to Sir Nice for being a piano teacher and making this journey possible. To my parents, my mommy Lara and Daddy Erwin for allowing me to take these piano lessons that bring me joy. And I would also like to give thanks to my Lolo Ninong, Ray Ablao, for taking me to my piano lessons every single week. And also to my Ninang Shai for always being excited for every music recitals that we are having. I would also like to give a shout out to my two grandmothers, my Lola Chai and Mami Luz, and also to all our friends and family all over the world. And as well as I would like to give a special shout out to my friends and classmates, and a special shout out to grade 11 Smith.
Congratulations, Faith! Ang daming fans ni Faith, ano? Isa-shoutout natin sila isa-isa. Second. Alright, thank you for our 11 million viewers. Ang dami, no? 11 million, alright. So, shoutout natin si Mami Lara. Okay, good luck, Faith. And to Sir Noel, congratulations, Faith. From IRL TV, good job, Ate Faith. Si Mami ulit, Lara, go baby. And Teacher Nice, shout out everyone. And last one from Mami, you're getting better, Faith. Proud of you. You, my baby. All right. Now let's move on to our awarding of Certificate of Achievement. May I read the content? So this certificate is proudly presented to Faith Alison V. Pascual for having successfully completed the Piano Adventures Level 2A Sight Reading, Theory, Lesson, Technique and Artistry, and Performance. And Faith Alison B. Pascual has 3 stars. Let's give a hand to Faith. And for dynamic and active participation in this 51st season's live stream music recital, given this 21st day of March 2025 at Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed by Edna L. Nanyos, MacDDS LPT, and yours truly, Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr., MBA LPT. So this is for you, Faith. Congratulations. All right. And let's move on. So we still have our viewers. Thank you so much. Pa-shoutout po, Ate Bess Marie. Shoutout sa iyo, Ate Bess Marie and Dale Inco. Galing. And sabi ni Kuya Noel S., nice one, Faith. Alright. Ang daming nagpa-shoutout. Thank you so much po for tuning in. Let's move on. Another certificate coming from Piano Adventures Exams. So this is the Piano Adventures Exams and Nanyos Music Studio Award for Faith. So this hereby certifies that Faith Alison is officially awarded the Level 1 Exam Certificate for Excellence in Theory, dated 26th of February 2025, from Faber Piano Adventures. Signed, Nancy Faber, Randall Faber, and Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr. So this is your second certificate at the Faith. Okay, siguro lagay natin dito, or you can hold it both. Alright, and there's one more certificate that we need to award to Faith. And here's the third one up. Okay, shout out ulit kay IRL TV. Thank you so much. And Noel S. Thank you so much. And Dale Inco. Okay, let's move on. So this certificate of recognition is proudly presented to Faith Alison V. Pascual for earning the title of Theory Leader. So Theory Leader is the one who get the 97% and up on the theory exams from Piano Adventures. And for earning the title of Theory Leader with 70 over 70 points. Okay, this is perfect score actually. Congratulations, Faith. So given this 21st day of March 2025 at Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So if you will notice, guys, there is a QR code here, and if you scan this, you can see the Faith's name on the Bravo board of Piano Adventures. So she's featured on the Bravo board. Okay, so this is for you, Faith, ang daming certificate. All right, so congratulations. And again, shout out to all our viewers. Thank you so much for your time today. And shout out to the parents of Faith. And at the background, Mami Lara is there. Mami, wave po kayo ng isa. Yan. Thank you so much po for gracing this occasion for Faith. And si Daddy, who is nanonood lang si Daddy dyan. Okay? And sa lahat po ng nakatutok online, maraming salamat po at sinuportahan po ninyo si Faith by watching her live stream performance. And thank you guys for tuning in, and watch out for tomorrow's performers. And don't go away. Samahan niyo po ulit kami bukas. God bless everyone. Thank you so much.